Hey friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to tell you something about a very special food item of Assam which is named as Khorisa. In this video, we will discuss about the ingredients, the process of making it, and of course the importance of it in the Assamese culture. So let's get started. Look, for making Khorisa, at first you will have to go to the jungle, basically in the June-July months, and find some bamboo shoots. Then you will have to cut them, bring home and remove the bark and pound or grind them with various devices. You can use this one like this, or you can use a glass of steel with an iron stick like this, and then keep all these in a glass container or a clay vessel. After 3 or 4 days, the taste of these will be a little sour. And now you can use it with other food items like dal, dry or fresh fish, and meat also. Now if you want to use it as pickle, then you will have to add some mustard oil, spices, etc. and put the container in the sunshine, and you can use it for years without any problem. Now come to another point. The importance of Khorisa in Assamese culture. Bamboo as well as bamboo shoots are easily available in Assam. So rural Assamese people use it as a common stuff and use it as a medicine for various diseases. It is generally used to cure smallpox, and it is used as a medicine when wasps or other venomous insects sting human or animals. On the other hand, it can control high blood pressure, the quantity of cholesterol in our body, and it works as a painkiller also. However, bamboo shoots as a food item is not only used in Assam, but the countries like China, Taiwan, Japan, Myanmar, Vietnam, etc. However, bamboo shoots or Khorisa has become an inevitable part of Assamese lifestyle or culture. It is so popular among Assamese people that there is a proverb as Tumar bari bah gaj tare korisu Khorisa, take holai dhan dun lo kothatu mon korisa. That means, do you know that I am selling Khorisa to you with the bamboo shoots stolen from your territory? So in this video, I have tried to say whatever I know about Khorisa. So if you like this video, then like, comment and share. And of course, do not forget to subscribe to this channel, because I will be coming with this type of topics as frequently as I can. Bye bye for today.